Welcome aboard. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside our boat at all times. And supervise your children. Now relax and enjoy your cruise. And we'll have you at your port of call in just a few minutes. Thanks for sailing with us. Look how beautiful the Polynesian is always. I bet a lot of bicyclists go there. So Emma, this hotel is where the Beatles broke up in 1971. John Lennon was staying in the college and he said that was broken up. There's a Walalulu. Yeah, and the beach is right here. It's really nice. Phone call. When me and Emma going to say at the beach, that'll be fine. Attention all hands. We are preparing to dock. This is a free-floating vessel, and docking can be bumpy at times. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat until your captain returns and gives you the all clear to go ashore.
Lots of people on the beach right now, too.
Say that again?
There's people on the beach right now.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
All right, folks, please remain seated just a few more moments. Let me open up the exit. I'll be right back.
Castaway line. Do you mind if we pull out first?
This place is really cool. Oh, what if we could go to... Oh, it's not open yet. I was going to say Trader Sam's. It's not not open till 3. Well, why don't we check? Yeah. Because we've never got to go there
Folks,
together.
please take a look around. Make sure you got all
It'd be
your
really
personal
cool, right?
items. Take small children by the hand. Watch. You're going to have to watch your steps. Welcome to the Polynesian.
Thank you. Thank you.
What? You're welcome. Watch your step.
Polynesian Hotel. My favorite hotel. Home of the Orange Bird. Yeah, now it can be chill now. You can relax now. Today would have been a good day for those water sprite boats if they still had them.
Yeah.
And then we could just ride boats around the lake. They used to have these little boats you could rent and you could just mess around, but then too many people got hurt by the alligator. You go to the big lobby, baby?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we just go straight, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go straight.
Around.
Let's go straight. I'm gonna shut that off.